Signature Global Q3 FY26 update, softer market impacts pre-sales, management turns cautious. Signature Global released its operational update for Q3 FY26, offering a clearer picture of how the real estate developer is navigating a changing market environment. While the company reported lower pre-sales compared to last year, it also highlighted stronger pricing, steady collections, and a healthy balance sheet. Management commentary this time reflected a more cautious tone, acknowledging softness in the broader property market. For Q3 FY26, Signature Global recorded pre-sales of 20.2 billion rupees, down from 27.7 billion rupees in the same quarter last year. Pre-sales for the 9-month period ended December 2025 stood at 66.8 billion rupees, compared with 86.7 billion rupees in 9MFI25. Management admitted that due to the softer market conditions, the company is unlikely to achieve its earlier pre-sales guidance of 127 billion rupees, which had appeared comfortable a few months ago. However, it added that efforts are underway to keep sales levels broadly in line with last year, with project launches continuing as planned. Despite the moderation in volumes, pricing remained a bright spot. Average sales realization improved significantly to 15,182 rupees in 9MFI26, compared with 12,457 rupees in FY25. The improvement was driven by a high share of sales coming from premium locations, along with price increases across key operating regions, indicating continued demand in select markets. Collections showed healthy momentum during the quarter. Signature Global reported collections of 12.3 billion rupees in Q3 FY26, marking a strong improvement over the previous quarter. For the 9 months ended December 2025, collections stood at 30.9 billion rupees, only slightly lower than last year. Management expressed increased confidence on this front, stating that collections are tracking better than earlier expectations and remain supportive of cash flows. On the balance sheet side, net debt stood at 10.2 billion rupees at the end of 9MFI25, compared with 8.8 billion rupees at the end of FY25. The company maintained that its financial position remains strong and that consistent collections should help it return to a growth trajectory in the near future. Overall, Signature Global's Q3 FY26 update reflects a period of adjustment. While pre-sales have been impacted by a softer market, improved pricing, stable collections, and disciplined balance sheet management continue to provide support. Investors will now watch how demand evolves in coming quarters and whether upcoming launches can help revive sales momentum.